Alright guys, you guys know the deal. We went and bought another one. This one's just for parts though. Motor is good. All the parts that we need is not necessarily have to be motor wise. It's this guy right there. Right under this thing right here, this plastic. And the grates and platform. So with that being said, we're gonna get this motor pulled out, put it in the storage unit, because we don't need a third motor unless we do a triplet. You guys want to go see? You want to see a triplet? Go down below and comment. All right. So as you guys see, both of the motors are in. They're bolted down. This is the piece that we had to go get off that other jet ski that we just bought. Still got to do the plumbing for the back end, them lines and this line right there, no big deal. What we're going to try to do is just see, we got some makeshift wiring right now, trying to see if we can actually start both of these off of this one, so we only have one button. So you guys stay tuned. Hopefully this works. We need more power or better connections, one or two. But at least we're getting turned over. So now I think we can do both of them at once. It's gonna be a pretty dope. See, we take this guy off. Ain't got much power still. So alright guys, well, it's been a while. So last time you guys knew, we threw that one motor in there. I'm pretty sure that's what you guys seen last. But now you guys can see what we actually have. Let me take you guys through it. So this top throttle is that my right motor. The bottom throttle is for this left motor. And we got forward or right, left, right, left. A little janky, but you know what? She'll do. Don't make fun of my socks either right now. Just got out of deer hunting, you know. So, with that being said, everything is hooked up. We can start both motors with one button, which is right here. We gotta go get a little clippy thing for that. And we have to go get some fuel line. We're gonna get 46 feet of fuel line, which makes no sense, right? But we're going from there, gonna go right around there, through here, and to the gas tank. One's a reserve and one's on. We're gonna hook them both up to the motors because I want to see what it will look like with, you know, if we have to add more weight up front, we will. We'll put the other tank in there. No big deal. We'll just take the one set and throw it on this side and it will be all done. But we gotta go get fuel line. I gotta go get a gas nozzle thing, and the battery is still not hooked up all the way, so we gotta do that. Well, it's hooked up, it's just not bolted down, so she should be ready. So we'll catch you guys all at Walmart. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the John boat here. A little sketchy. They're draining the lake, or is that low, but we're gonna back her up. Let's just just unhook the back a little. You gotta stay tuned.
You stopped doing it just as I zoomed in on the giant squirting hole over here in the corner.
I want to take it for a little lap.
You're gonna sink.
I really do. All right, I'm gonna open it. Alright, so we got that leak right there. That is probably just a little leak. And I think something's leaking over on this side. But this side's only leaking is because of that. I put a hole in that when I was cutting the thing off. And I don't think anything else is bad. So that's for... Something's leaking. Something's leaking right there. We'll have to investigate that one.
Sorry.
What the hell are you doing?
It touched the...
But they both run. This thing's a speed. This thing's gonna get me in trouble. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Can you pull me out? I'm sinking.
I'm busy.
You won't let me go for a ride, so pull me out.
I'm doing something.
Pull me out, Terry.
Terry's doing something.
All right, guys. So we're back in the house. Well, back in the garage, in the house, at the house. There we go. English is a little tough. So we got the jet boat on its side. It was leaking out of here, so we're gonna pull all that insulation out of there. I'm gonna use my mini vacuum that my wife got me. Just get in there, suck all that out. suck all that out. And once we get that done, I'll show you guys what we're doing. Alright, so we got it cleaned out. Got a bunch of this stuff out of it. We're going to do that. And then we're going to go up here, do a little bit more up there. I didn't see it leaking any from here, so that's for this hose right here, which is cut, which was my bad. I think that's the only problems that we had was these right here and there, which I didn't see any water coming out of there. But if you guys have seen water coming out of there, go comment below. Go comment below and let me know. We got the big light on here so I can see what I'm doing, because we're shoving that sucker full of. We got some fiberglass strips that we're gonna shove in there. We got our party bowl right here. And we're gonna get Kool-Aid mixed up in and drink out of it. No, we're gonna mix the resin in there. They're only $1. Dollar General. Now I got me some forks and spoons so I can stir it, get it mixed up. So we're gonna get that done, let you guys see what I came up with. Catch you guys all in a minute. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, got fiberglass stuck to my finger. It's all fiberglassed up. I shoved a whole bunch of stuff in there. Oh, there's fiberglass. So it was leaking from right here, and there's resin coming out of there. So obviously we did have a leak there. So we're gonna try to figure out how we can get that to stay. We resined a whole bunch of this, so we'll catch you guys tomorrow. See how this held up. Catch you guys then. Alright guys, we're gonna tune these carburetors out of the water just because it's a little easier. So we got this one to idle. I'm pretty sure that's idle. I don't know. We're hitting this oil water. There's a whole bunch of soot and stuff in there. It's not warmed up yet. We do notice we got that. You guys can see that. Pushing out something there. Don't know exactly what it is. I do notice. Exactly what that is. That one's running good. We're gonna shut the water off, let that one idle down. Get one. Alright, so there you guys have it. We got them both running good. I forgot to record this motor, but I got it lined out. That's the one that we were having problems with at the beach. At the ramp. So it's good. This one's good. Like always. So hopefully the next time you guys see this, we're going to actually drive it for the very first time. So make sure you guys go comment below. You think it will work? And how fast is it going to go? Because theoretically, if you do the math, one of these can go 35, the other one can go 35. So theoretically, if we're doing theoretically, it should go 70. But 70 on a John boat, a little too fast, Terry. But anyways, I'm pretty sure we're going to have to get another fuel tank. Put two fuel tanks up there. Because we went through gas fast with one fuel tank, 2 motors. So with that being said, catch you guys